Right, we're just going to write each other's initials, are we?
Just put the initial.
All do it. No,
Where
all
the
do it.
keys?
All do it each. Should I just put 2013 in the middle?
Go on the side.
Yeah.
So what we're going to do, we're going to step onto this bridge, so it'll be here forever.
7th today, isn't it?
What's the date today?
7th of the 10th, 13.
We found somewhere we were putting it.
That's
Okay.
it.
Alright, each write our initials on there.
You're always taking photos.
Find that on the side. That's alright.
It's a historic moment.
Should have given it to someone that can write.
MB.
Just don't touch where I've written on the side, mate.
Have to put the
Oh,
other
no.
boys
Oh
on
no,
there
it didn't
as
come
well.
off.
No, it's good.
Put mine off me,
Just put
please.
IB
Raj.
on there, mate.
IBS. Ian, you've got to sign it.
You just put IB on there.
No, you've got to do it. It's personal. Where are we putting it?
Well, I like going somewhere.
Right, I've got this.
Have you got everybody's initials on there? Jamie's and...
Yeah, but I'll check that one.
So you need to put
IA and J.
IA.
and Ryan's.
No. It's painted, isn't it?
Where's the gap?
Put Andover on the back.
Yeah. Happy days. It's a bit serious, isn't it? It's not right.
It's a good idea though, isn't it?
Who was the first one?
I've got this. A lot of pressure. Is that actually going to stay on there?
Yeah, it'll be right.
Yeah. Right, we
Stick her on.
happy with this, boys?
Stick her in, yeah.
Yeah?
Stick her in.
Right. So that goes in there. And we put these on there.
Did you find the fucking thing in the river?
No, but that goes in the river. These no, don't those. You hang these up. Is that right? I was confused. I thought you put the lock in the water and you hang these up.